सैक्रामेंटो। ये जो शाम है ना, चांदनी सैक्रामेंटो पे भरे पड़े हैं अभी आपके आने से। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर। Yes, Reva ji, Devin bhai, Sangeeta bhabhi and the entire South Pacific Relief Fund, आप सभी को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी। And the entire Sacramento and आदिल भाई माइक को बरकरार रखे। All right, so we are here for her, but she is here for a greater cause because she is not only the beauty that are celebrated in Bollywood, but she is beyond that, and that's the reason she is here for a cause. And always leave a place in our heart, and इसीलिए we really like to pay respect to all of them. Meenakshi ji, welcome to Sacramento. I'm so happy, and I believe all of them are really happy to have you over here. We really want to thank you because not only you came here, you are supporting the mission of South Pacific Relief Fund. They are doing something incredible in Fiji. The 100% proceeds of these programs are going for the dialysis project in Fiji, for the needed people, the people who need it the most. And that's the reason we want to thank Devin bhai and Reva ji as well. Devin bhai from DK Entertainment and of course Pacific Relief Fund, and Reva Kumar from World of Divine Vastu and Triansh. Now, to officially begin the show, I would like Reva ji to welcome everybody and start the show.
Thank you, Reva. Good evening, all of you. My hearty thanks to all of you to be the part of this beautiful divine evening. My special thanks to Meenakshi ji, who is also a part of it. Due to this, we all are here. Everyone knows that this is very noble cause for this which we are working, and for this my hats off to this gentleman, Mr. Devin, his wife, his whole family, and all of you, the whole trust. The way the people are working for this cause, but still it needs that everyone should come forward, because if we are together, we can work more and more for this divine cause. So, and for this evening, I hope you will enjoy every moment with our beautiful Meenakshi ji, and just sit, enjoy, and if you have any questions, please come forward and ask her, because this is your evening with her. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Reva ji. I really want all of you to take a seat here. Meenakshi ji, if you can take a seat. I know it's going to be a very long night. यहाँ के सैक्रामेंटो में जो लोग होते हैं, मैंने सुना है कि बहुत दिलदार होते हैं। क्या मैंने सही सुना है? Right? मैंने सुना है कि
in medicine at the university just up the street here at the UC Davis. I also teach at their school of medicine. So, what I want to really talk about was the work that this group does in trying to help people who have kidney disease and kidney failure. So there's lots of reasons why people can have kidney disease, and the people of Fiji are no different. So high blood pressure, diabetes, those are all things that can lead to damaging your kidneys. So what happens when you damage your kidneys? Your kidneys are very vital organs. What they do is they filter your blood so that you can essentially keep living without having disease and arrhythmias and problems like that. So people actually who have kidney failure need dialysis, meaning that they need special machines connected to their bodies that filter out the blood for them. So not only do you need these special machines, but you also need the solutions, the medications, and the trained personnel to do this kind of work. So you can imagine it actually takes a lot of money and a lot of effort, and we're hoping that you can kind of help with that with some of your donations tonight. This group, the South Pacific Relief Fund, has given away over 2,500 free dialysis treatments in Fiji for our own people. That's a wonderful accomplishment. They have saved over 530,000 Fijian dollars of money for underprivileged people. And they're actually just expanding they don't just have their first center, but now they have their second one in Sigatoka, and another one that they've developed in Nainli to provide preventative care so that people don't need dialysis. And they're going to be reaching up to 100 people every day, every week. And that just takes a tremendous amount of effort and dedication, and also money and your generous efforts. So I just want to applaud that group. I want to applaud our Fiji Indian community and our Fijian community, and so that hopefully we can come together and just help people in need. Thank you.
Please जोरदार तालियां हमारे chief guest के लिए. We're also honored that she's not only a doctor, but is also.
Welcome. Imagine a world where a life-saving treatment is out of reach for so many. In Fiji, over 800 people face kidney failure each year, and the cost of dialysis is a heartbreaking barrier for countless families. But there's hope, and it's powered by incredible generosity. The South Pacific Relief Fund, Inc. in the U.S. is making a profound difference by providing free dialysis treatment to underprivileged Fijians at the Kidney Hub. This vital service is a lifeline, offering a chance at a healthier future. Your donation, no matter the size, directly contributes to saving lives and bringing relief to those who need it most. Let's come together and ensure that everyone facing kidney failure in Fiji has access to the care they deserve. Thank you for considering.
Need for dialysis. Many Fiji people do not have option to get a dialysis treatment. Each treatment costs $365. Many people need 3 per week, 12 per month. And you can know and you can calculate what that will be for the entire month. A minimum wage and household make less than $100 a week. You are not able to afford this. So we had as young as 18 years old and as old as 60 years old that came and needed this assistance. The gentleman, I think, who was in the video, he had more than $40,000 in debt. And all the hospitals said, no, we're not going to treat you. So his body got into a shock. And Raksha, you'll see another patient in this video, that her parents came crying and says, she cannot, before people get to dialysis, which is more expensive, we now open a preventive care unit, partnership with Ramakrishna Mission. It's a 100% free medical treatment. It's outpatient. You have a problem, you don't need to pay. You can end up going to the doctor's office, get free treatment, 6 days a week, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's no billing counter because you don't have to pay a bill. And you get free treatment with free medication. And believe me guys, it hurts me when I say that you cannot help everyone. We don't make that much money because it's not one day. I have to make this payment month after month after month after month. So this program we'll do today, I cannot repeat the same program for another 6 months. Why? It takes a lot of money to host this program. So if you kindly can donate anything, any time of the day or night, anywhere, that will help us get closer to our goal. And I want you guys to have a great time today. Enjoy the show. You're going to have opportunity to take pictures with Meenakshi ji. So I promise you're not going to be disappointed. And I want to thank each one and every one of you that for you to be here today to support this event. I thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. Very warm hello. I come all the way from Mumbai, India, especially to meet all of you today.
Thank you.
And I'm so glad for this opportunity. I would first definitely acknowledge the South Pacific Relief Fund organization and DK Entertainment for this human service that they are doing. And I'm humbly privileged and honored to be part of this event. And I second what our host just said. Whatever we can raise in terms of donations and grants from the generosity and humanity of your hearts would be so welcome. And I'm here to facilitate that with whatever entertainment I can provide. And I want to acknowledge Mrs. Reva for her excellent service to the community here. And I'm so happy to be part of this August event. And even more so because this is the most serious part. After this, it's all going to get lighter and funnier and humorous and enjoyable. Acha dekhiye, I'm kind of a philosophical, spiritual type of person at heart. So I don't take anything in life seriously. Because I feel this is all a dream, but it's a beautiful dream, and you can make it even more beautiful with your deeds, your words, your thoughts, your emotions, and your care and concern for people around you. And Bollywood, kya kahe, you know, it's thoda sa badnaam hai na, wo film industry. Sab logon ko lagta hai ki you know, when I decided to join movies, I was from this conservative South Indian Brahmin family, and all my relatives were like, movies? And she's only 17. My God, what's going to happen? So they were all worried that I would join the movies and become this strange, weird person, and they wouldn't know how to deal with me. Turns out, I converted so many of my filmy friends and co-stars because maybe some of you know this. I'm not trying to make much of myself, but I'm the only actress who had a movie career and did her undergrad and grad at the same time. So there are these few songs which stay in people's minds forever and ever and ever. They become legendary numbers. And this song is something like that. In fact, इस गाने को हर उस माहौल, हर उस परिस्थिति में लोग गाते हैं जहाँ की कोई एक सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा हो, किसी की एनिवर्सरी, किसी का वेडिंग, किसी की बर्थडे, किसी का कोई जलवा, कोई पार्टी, कोई ग्रेजुएशन. तो ये नो इट्स नॉट पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम कर. दिस इज माय humble little tribute for that. वफादारी की वो रस्में निभाएंगे हम तुम कसमें, एक भी सांस जिंदगी की जब तक हो अपने बस में. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमदवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. Thank you.
With our Salu Salu. As you all know, Salu Salu is one of the biggest honors you can get in our Fijian community. And for Madhu and Mukesh from Neelam Pacific Market, our grand sponsors, for them to honor this. Thank you so much. Hey guys, Jai Madhu.
Sing dong, sing a song, sing a song. किया है वो निभाना है, आज किसी से मुलाकात है मेरी।
कौन है वो, बोलो कौन है वो, बोलो बोलो कौन है वो।
मेरी जान है वो, जाने दो मुझे जाना है, और वादा जो किया है वो निभाना है। खत उसका आया है, मुझे उसने बुलाया है।
With that, we're gonna announce today a great big event coming up. Meenakshi ji is traveling to Fiji with us with the upcoming show. 2 shows in Fiji, Australia and New Zealand will be accompanied by many of our sponsors. Sardar Paji, Sajid Paji and Babi ji, Madhu and Mukesh, Jaswant ji and the family, Deva Dutt and family. We are traveling to Fiji to bring this show in 2 parts of Viti level, Vanua level, and this is the first time Meenakshi will be on the soil of our native land, Bola Binaka. Amazing. This is amazing. Come on, give a big round of applause, please. Dylan, please pump the music up. Beautiful. Give it a applause. This is a boutique and saris. Where's Sacramento? Wow, can you believe that? The diva herself is doing the catwalk. Thank you so much, Meenakshi ji. You are just a beauty.
खुशी की मुबारक घड़ी आ गई है, सजी सुर्ख जोड़ी सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, अब तो
Come on, guys. Come on. While we have all the morals on the stage, why don't we do our auction? Priyanka ji. अरे आप bid दीजिए, अब उसको हम bid करेंगे. You give a price, we'll bid it.
इतना और है मेरे पास.
हाँ.
पूछो ना जिसके दिल में क्या है।
देखो, इंडिया बैंक अभी चल रहा है बाजी, राइट? बैंक ऑफ इंडिया चल रहा है, चलाओ उसको।
2100.
नहीं हो गया, वो तो उधर हो गया, वो तो उधर हो गया 2100। Let जसवंत जी beat that, उसको बीट करना पड़ेगा, टेबल पे बैठे हुए ना।
So, this is amazing. You did it yesterday, you did it again today. What do you have to say?
I need it, so I got to take it.
बहन जी, आप बहन जी खाली टॉप है, पेंट्स नहीं है, उसके साथ में पेंट्स नहीं आ रहा है।
That's better, man. Jingle bell हो गया ना।
Well, we are very blessed. Benji, thank you so much. $3,000 coming from, and this is what it is, guys. जो मीनाक्षी ने मुझसे चार्ज किया, दोबारा मुझको दे दिया। इससे बड़ी दीवा हो नहीं सकती है। प्लीज एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ में मीनाक्षी जी को हम रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं। This is not easy, guys. Honestly, I'm honestly honored and very, very honored. And just because of that, आप इतने दूर से सब आए हैं।
For Sri Lakshmi Narayan Mandir. Okay, so this is for Yashpal Singh. And the next one is Pacific Star. Pacific Star.
Thank you, Bhaji.
Then we have DJ Real Deal.
He's been providing sound and lighting with us. Thank you so much. Gokul Printing Press, unfortunately,
Gokul Printing Press.
Unfortunately, with the family देवा का है उधर।
Can I call all the artists, the singing artists over here to get your certificates? So can we have like all of you? So let's give it a bunch to all. Anil. Avinash. Kanika. Alpana. Alpana.
After this, I'll request Dadi Ma and the family. Dadi,
Alpana.
आप भी आ जाइए ऊपर। दादी जी आ जाओ।
Swapnali. Pallavi. And Neil. Neil.
Next is airport shuttles, airport luxury shuttle. You're next. Please come over. The whole family come over. The whole group come over. Are really done And the only option they have is to amputate your arm, your leg, your fingers. There's no other treatment. Jaswantji knows this very well, and he also supports us. He's sitting right there on one of the sponsors table. So, in order for us to do this, we took help from you as sponsors, our donors, Meenakshi to do it here, because we need a lot of funds to keep providing this essential pipeline to our Fiji community.
तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. Thank you.
Oh my God. Now I have to make you sing. And Revaji, if you can just accompany her. This is, as you can see, like she's a superhuman, right? Am I